Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we'll see how to crochet this rainbow hoop earrings. Meanwhile, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So today I've taken a green color crochet thread from Anchor. I've purchased this from Pradhan embroidery stores, and then I create a magic ring and chain 3, and then I'll be crocheting 13 double crochets around the magic ring. So when I consider this chain 3 also as a double crochet, so I'll have 14 double crochets around the magic ring. So this is as simple as that. That's it for the entire project. So I'll be crocheting chain 3 plus 13 double crochet around the magic ring, and then close the magic ring, join the 14th double crochet to the chain 3 stop, that is third chain of the chain 3. That's it. So I get a flat circle, small one in green color. So I'll go ahead and create more circles of this in different colors. So right now I've created these circles in the colors of rainbow. So for each earring, so I had two colors. For example, if I have violet, for each earrings I will have 2 circles in violet. So for the entire project I will need 4 circles of a color. So altogether I will be doing 28 circles in different colors. So I get a flat circle. So if you little bit squeeze in and tighten it, so it will be a curved circle like this. So I've created circles of this kind. So if you prefer your circle to be flat, you can do so. It's all up to you. You can play around. So I'm just inserting my circles to the hoops as shown. So I start with violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, and then reverse it along on the other side. So that's how I'll be working. So if you prefer to do this earring in single color, you can do so. It's totally up to you. You can play around and you can do whatever you want to your earrings. So I've attached one side, so I'm totally going to reverse this pattern for the next side. You can even attach a pearl accent in the middle, any other jewelry accessory that you prefer. So I'm going to finish this side. Green, blue, and then indigo and violet. So this is how I have patterned this. So I will be doing the same on the next hoop as well. So this is very simple, can be done in minutes. So we got one of our earrings. So I'll go ahead and attach the circles to the other hoop as well. So I've attached the circles to the other hoop. So our beautiful rainbow earrings are now ready. Please try this at home and let me know your comments, and please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl. Thank you.